anything. They just learn it directly in the river. I have to be careful. It will not matter much, but I'm scared, man. With all the things happening all over India, I'm very scared. भाई सब मेरे पास आ रहे हैं, नहीं है मेरे पास। ए उश, अरे पैर का। Okay guys, we can start now. Right then. Oh, by the way, I love cows also. Cows are so cute. Got a soft corner for cows. Most sure I will have cows also. First dog, then cat, then cow. Then I will increase my domestic zoo. Which will not be a zoo actually, it will be a wildlife sanctuary for domesticated animals. तुम भाई इतना खुल क्यों जाते हो? I think it's time to buy a new gloves. I'm enjoying the view. Wow, that view, just look at it. भाई इंडिकेटर दे देना जब उधर जाना है. He is looking at me like I will look at him and understand, okay, you have to go left side. I mean, I did understand that's another thing, but you can just give the indicator and I will understand, okay, you have to go that side. And so many doggies coming in my way. Is this a are these doggies are trying to save me from the rain that is going to come if I reach Pavna? Like I can already see I'm going towards the rain. Like you see those clouds. Those clouds are buffalo. I'm a grown man. I know I have responsibilities towards other riders that I should uphold. At least while I'm riding the gear, make sure that no one is calling me chapri, because that will hurt a lot of riders' reputation. I mean, even for me also, that will hurt. I mean, I've bought so many things, I don't want people calling me like, okay, you are not. Oh भाई, दो गैस का लड़ाई हो रहा है. If I fall here, I will die. Most probably I will die. I don't know how to swim, guys. So whoever is planning to kill me, which no one is, I know, but still, whoever is, you can just put me in. And I know how to float. But once again, I mean, a miracle can happen. I can just learn swimming while I'm dying. Like I'm just drowning and I just learn how to swim and I know how to uplift my body. So maybe I'll just learn while dying, or maybe I'll just die, I don't know. And my friend who is from Kerala, he told me that their mothers just throw the child away in the water and they just learn how to swim. I don't know. I think he said it in a very in a way that it feels like, okay, what the hell is happening in Kerala? But I think what he's trying to say is they from very early childhood they just learn automatically, not from training institute or anything. They just learn it directly in the river. Okay, so both of my South Indian friends, very close friends actually, they know how to swim, like very good swimming they know, unlike people like us. I mean, I think very less people from North India know that how to swim in a good way. I mean, obviously nowadays children are learning about swimming and they are doing it very well actually. Fuck, I didn't saw that. Okay, I think normally we go that way. Now I'm going. Okay, got it. So that's the Bhavna Dam. I think that's what it's called. And there people are taking photos. That comes in the camera. And at last, I mean, this is a very nice road, but most probably I will lose the footage because of the my luminance setting is not right. But okay, I will just see how is it. Wow, look at this curves. This is too good. I love riding here, even though I'm always, even though I love it, but I'm always a little bit skeptical about it. Okay, we have to go above. Okay, this is going to Brahmodi. Yes, something like that. Here we go. चला भाई, डर क्यों रहा है? टेंशन मतलब कुछ नहीं होगा, इतना भी कुछ थोड़ी है. I've been to Pavna I think 5 to 10 times, but this view always amazes me. This is it. This is the beauty of Pune, and even though it's going to rain, and I know it will rain, I'm still here. ओके सो बहुत तेज बारिश आ रहा है, लाइक गॉड डैम इट, एंड आई एम स्टक हियर. वेट अ सेकंड. ओके, spectacle is broken and the light and this, it's not a good sign, obviously very bad sign, but shit happens. I mean, that's what ride is all about. just have to. I mean, anyways, I'm riding solo, so this was bound to happen. It's just that I should have brought my spare one. Normally I carry it with me, just I didn't carry it now because this was like a spur of the moment plan and forgot. Shit, man. Anyways, luckily it's working for me right now. I don't know till what time it will work. I lost my concentration there. I have to be very careful. Anyways, so straight we have to go. Luckily I have these lights, so I can easily I don't think I guess the camera is not able to pick up the lights in a proper way that I am getting right now, but overall it's good, it's very good. I think the mic is not stick to my helmet right now because I use the double sided tape. I actually bought the Velcro, so once I got it, that should be easy. Why? Like legit why? Oh my god. These people are so irritating. Blind me so that I can just go over the fence and die. That's what these guys want. There it is. It's good. The view is good. The camera is good. Everything is good. Just have to be careful about everything. Just careful about our life. And we will reach our destination. Like, being careful is more than enough actually, you know. Look at it, just so cool. This setup is so cool. I've spent not much money, but this setup is so cool. I love that setup. And this is the night ride. People go for breakfast ride, I go for dinner ride. Nothing much, not a difference actually. Actually my plan was to go for a breakfast ride only, but I was scared of the rain. Not exactly. I mean, it can rain now also. Most probably it will rain. Until the point I will reach Pune, it will start raining. Okay, let's see whether my battery will run out, or I think I can reach there. How many times? 48 minutes. Can you stay alive for 48 minutes, my friend? Hey. Oh my god, I don't know how it is getting recorded because this is the first time recording in ghats at night. Oh bhai, that was a frog. Damn, I thought that was a leaf. Oh my god, I would have fuck man. I have to be careful. Actually I thought no one will be coming from this way, but I guess people are coming. Is this an auto? Oh my god, always auto driver. I am afraid of these guys, man. They are like doing whatever they want. Whatever they want, they do. भाई क्या कर रहा है भाई तो मेरे को जाने दो. Can I go? Can I? Yeah, thank you. Wow, such a beautiful house. यार ऐसा house मेरे को भी चाहिए. Like I want this house. Not this house, but something like that. It looks so cool. But for these type of houses, these type of farmhouses, I need to earn money. For that I have to study. That I'm not doing at all. That's not good, man. I should study more. I should become बड़ा आदमी. ऐसे कैसे होगा? नहीं यार, ऐसे नहीं हो पाएगा. हाँ. Thanks, man. Thanks. So we have a warning of what? Tiger warning. Okay, I hope tiger don't just come and pounce on me. I'm not at all meaty. Please. Maybe a dog would like to eat me, but not you. Please, just let me go. This is shady, man. Shady. La 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 la. Is there a tiger? Is there a tiger? No, it's not a tiger. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. These are the times when I feel like I should not ride alone. And this is my first vlog. Oh, a car! Yeah! 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 Hooray! Yeah! Woohoo! No one is coming. Thing is, I'm a little tired now, and that is mainly because of my glasses has been broken. Because I'm tired, man. I'm really tired. Oh भाई कहाँ जा रहा? अरे उधर कहाँ जा रहा भाई? उधर कुछ है ही नहीं. क्या हो गया? I should buy an mount so that I can record myself telling things. That would be nice. Why, man? Why are you blinking so much? What good that will do to you? That why would that will make you happy? It will not make you happy. I can ride in a very good way till I'm not tired. Once I'm tired, I just lose my control, man. It is not a good thing. I should not lose my control.